So guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Gadget Guide Pro. Today we are reviewing of the MetaQuest 3, a cutting-edge mixed reality headset and a revolution of the way experience virtual worlds. So let's go. The MetaQuest 3 provides a range of the impressive features including a 4K plus infinity display, rich 3D audio and next-level performance, powered by a welcoming Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor. Combination of technically endless, seamless and impressive experience that blur the lines between the physical and virtual worlds. The MetaQuest 3 offers a vast library of 500 plus apps and experience, catering to a wide range of interest and performance. From action pocket games and interactive to rich and educational content and social experience, there's something for everyone to enjoy. In terms of comfort and design, the MetaQuest 3 features a silk and lightweight chassis, weighing in at just 470 grams. The headsets also including a adjustable IPD and lens. Spacing ensure a comfortable and customized ad for uses for all shapes and size. The MetaQuest 3 is powered by a rechargeable battery that provide up to 2.2 hours of usage on average. While this may not be the longest battery life on the market, still plenty of time to enjoy your favorite apps and experience. In conclusion, the MetaQuest 3 is groundbreaking mixed reality headset that offers unique and impressive experience. With its impressive features, vast app library and comfortable design, its device is sure to revolution the way we interact with virtual worlds. Thanks for watching our video of the MetaQuest 3. Don't forget like and subscribe for more informative content and tech reviews.